Today's topic is root cause analysis with simple explanation. And in today's video, we'll break down what root cause analysis is in a simple, powerful method and which will help you to find the real reasons why failure happen in our equipment or machines. So whether you are a maintenance engineer, supervisor, or even a student, this will give you a quick and clear understanding. So let's get into it. So what is a root cause analysis? So in simple terms, root cause analysis is a structured method used to uncover why a failure really happened. So instead of stopping at the systems, RCA, which is root cause analysis, digs deeper until you reach the cause that, if eliminated, prevents the problem from happening again. So this is why it's essential in reliability and maintenance and in industries and even in academia. You hear this term quite often. So it's a method to identify the true underlying causes of a problem, and it goes deeper than the surface level issues or symptoms by just looking at the machine or equipment, but rather you find the core and a real reason why something happens. And it helps you prevent from future repeated failures and downtime, which obviously saves you time, energy, and revenue. So what are the three steps involved in an RCA process? So first, we will define the problem clearly in an RCA process. What happened, where, when, and what the impact was. So these questions, we ask ourselves these questions, and then we go to the second phase, which is to identify all possible causes using tools like 5 whys or Fishbone or even FTA diagrams. So we will discuss these methods in another video. So just to give you a hint, we identify possible causes or potential causes by using these diagrams and techniques. And the third one is to choose corrective actions that solve the issue permanently, not just temporarily. So these are three steps involved in an root cause analysis process. So first one is define the problem clearly. Second one is identify causes using 5 whys, Fishbone, and FTA diagrams, which is fault tree diagram. So third one is implement permanent corrective actions. So in their essence, these three contain a whole paradigm, and we should discuss them at length, and I'll try to make video on each one of these. So a real world example. So let's say a pump motor trips repeatedly. The immediate cause is high current, and if we dig deeper into this, we find that overheated bearing caused by missing lubrication. So you can see there is a whole chain of failures involved in this example. So if we ask again ourselves, we discover that there is no proper lubrication scheduling system, which means that there is no preventive maintenance to cater for these corrective actions. So that becomes the root cause, and fixing that stops the entire chain of failures. So the problem is pump motor trips. So there is the first one, and the surface level information is high current, which is caused by overheated bearings. And overheated bearing is caused by lubrication not being done. And the final, the core and the real root cause is schedule missing. So root cause is no lubrication maintenance system. So key summary and takeaways is RCA is find and fix the real cause, and it prevents a recurrence like in the form of repeated failures, it will avoid having repeated failures in the future. It improves reliability and reduces cost. And these are simple tools and that will get you powerful results. So to wrap up, RCA helps you find the true cause of problem instead of treating symptoms. It prevents repeat failures, improves reliability, and saves cost. With simple tools and a structured approach, you can turn every failure into a chance to improve. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next session.